Hello, welcome back to Automation Academy TV. Today this video is about how to edit on Filmora 9. Our first step of the tutorial, you're going to upload a clip. You can press this little play button and find the video you want to play. After we insert the video, you're going to want to learn how to cut segments of the video. Cutting is very simple. All you have to do is press this cut button. Cut a part of the video, you're going to want to add an audio to it. You can add an audio by pressing the audio button over here. And I'm going to add this audio to the video. You can check the audio by pressing it. Now you can apply it if you think the audio is good. After you have added an audio, you might want to adjust the audio. You can do that by right-clicking and pressing the adjust audio button. Here is the controls for the audio. You can put it down if you want it lower, and you can put it up if you want it higher. But usually, you want the audio to be lower than the person speaking in the video. After you have added your audio, you're going to want to add a title. You can add a title by pressing this button in the top left corner and choose the title you want. You can adjust the duration by moving it around with your mouse. To edit the title, you can double click it and put anything you want. After that, you might want to do a transition, which is here. You can press fade or an effect. Now that you have seen the controls of the Filmora 9, I think you are good to go. With the titles and the audio, I'm pretty sure you can handle it on your own. With that, this is the end of the video, and I hope you have learned something from this, and I'll see y'all next time.